Good day, traders. In today's video, I'll be doing a deeper analysis on BNB. BNB is going to pump soon, and I want you guys to get into BNB right now. It's not a financial advice anyway, but you have to, get some couple of BNB, especially if you want to hold it for a long time. So today's video, I'll be focusing on BNB USDT pair, and I'm going to analyze it. And I will show you what we are doing in the VIP group and how we are positioning ourselves in that particular pair. So thank you very much, guys. For those of you that have subscribed to the channel, thank you very much for doing that. We so much appreciate it. And then those of you that have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and turn on the notification bell. Now, if you have anything you want to ask us, you want to ask me any question, or you want to get into a VIP group, you want to take the Remit cryptocurrency training and mentorship program, also check in the description below and you see a WhatsApp contact that you will contact, and I will add you immediately into the VIP group and you will get trained and know how to do your technical analysis very well. So let's get into today's video. So I'm going to do analysis on BNB USDT pair. Now, if you go through the channel, you discover that most of our analysis is 80 to 90% accurate. Just go to the channel and take a look at it by yourself. It is 80 to 90% accurate. So you can go to the channel and check it out yourself, so you know that we are actually professional here, and then we know what we are doing. Now, today's video, I'll be focusing on BNB USDT pair and how we've already positioned ourselves in the VIP group, and how you as well can position yourself in the next bullish move. So now what I have figured out here on my analysis is that you see move from this point, you see Binance coin move from this point to this point, and then after then it has been in a resting stage. So this is a resting stage and it is over right now. It is over. So you see the market move from here to this point, very close, and see the market comes down. So this was the last point in which the market touched, and it never touched that point again. So this was the deepest close. This was the deepest close. So if I mark that out, so if I mark this point out to this area, so you see that market never touched here again. So I'll put this here. Okay, so market move from here to this point and come back down, and then from here market goes up, come back down, goes up and come back down again. So at this point was a retest of this support level, support turn support here, and then market is going up right now. Now the question is, how can you position yourself in the next bullish move in this Binance coin? Remember, from CZ information, we have heard that the next token bond will be like a month from now. So that means that you should also take some BNB coin into your holdings, because it's very important that you should have some BNB in your holding, especially when you want to hold it for a very long time. Okay, so now we see the market move from here to this point and then move back down, move up again, correct, move up and correct. So this is the final correction and it's gonna go up. So what we see here that prompted our trade in the VIP group, we've been buying BNB coin right from January, but I also told my VIP members to also, get some couple of it, because it's going to increase very drastically this time around. So if you look at here, you see this was a resistance level. This was under resistance level. Okay, so market move from here, goes up, come back down, move up. So the market move up here. From here to this point, market move up, and then we see the market come back down. Then from there, markets move up again. This level create a resistance level, come back down. So at this point, market goes back down, and then from there, we do not see the market down anymore. So the market breaks out, with this move. So I'm expecting this to hold the market at this point, and then I want to see this was a strong resistance. Then I want to see the market correct a little bit to the downside, and then it should go right up. It should go right up. Now, if you look at this very analysis that I'm going to do right now, you discover that from momentum trading, you see the market move from here to this point and correct about 60% of the initial move. So this is an impulse retracement. The correction here was about 60% of the initial move. So after the correction, this point was the reference point which market never reached here again. So it's very important. So if we were to see more downtrend in the market, we're supposed to see another new low lower than this very low. So this low supposed not to fail at this point. You want to see another new low, but what we see here is that the market could not form a new low, which means buyers were very strong and aggressive to still move the market to the upside. So now if you look at it very well, market move up, come back down, move up, create a new high higher than this previous high, and then now the market is up here. So if you can look at here very well, we see a failed swing here, and then this was a retest of the support, and then market is going up. So if you look at there as well, you see the market form a resistance here, which the market obey here as well, and then we see the breakout. Now the breakout does not only occur on this very resistance, it also occur on this other resistance here as well. So the breakout was very massive with this bullish candle. So it was after this bullish close that we take a trade in the VIP group. We are very sure at this very point, because we are very sure at this very point that BNB is going to pump to the moon, is going to go to the moon right here. So there is nothing to worry about. BNB is going to go up. From my own analysis, is going to go up. So number one thing is the momentum trading that I just talked about, and then you see the failed swing here, and then the third thing is this bullish close. This bullish close. So after the bullish close, we see the bullish close break this resistance and also break this other resistance level. Now another thing you have to look at is the MACD. So if you are a indicator guy and you look at the MACD and you see what the MACD is doing, so let's look at the MACD here. You look at the MACD, I'm going to increase the parameter a little bit. Now something very significant is happening on the MACD right now. You see, when the market was going up, the blue line dilate from the red line, and there were increase in momentum on the histogram here, and the market ride up. So you see the market was going up and the MACD was increasing the momentum, while the MACD line and the signal line dilate from apart and was going up as well. So we see at this point, when market comes back down, you see the market was coming down as well, because if you look at the way it was coming down from this point, it was not coming down as something that have a very strong sells. So it was coming down as if there were still much buyer interested to buy at higher prices. There were still buyers interested to buy BNB at higher prices. That is why you see the market was not coming down drastically. We only see a big move to the downside, and then after the market does not test this level again, and we are seeing the market moving to the upside with this very bullish momentum. So if you look at the MACD from this point, the MACD formed a new trend and the market was going down. So there were formation of the histogram on the negative side of the MACD with a little bit of momentum to the downside, and then the market come back down to this area. So if you look at this area right now where we see this bullish momentum to the upside, you see the blue line at this point is already on the red line, signifying that there is another new trend formation on this very point. Now, if you take a close look on this very MACD at this very point, you discover that this trend have already ended. Remember, this trend start from here to this point. This trend start from here to this point. So this trend have ended, and you look at it from this point to this area, from the end of this very trend. Remember, the MACD is a trend indicator, and then we are seeing right now at this point the histogram have started formation on the positive side of the MACD with this very one here. The histogram have started formation on the positive side of the MACD, and the blue line is already on top of the red line, which indicate that the market is going to go up, which indicate that the market is going to ride up. So these are enough reasons for you to have BNB in your holdings. These are enough reasons for you to take a trade on BNB. Like I said earlier, we've already entered a position on the VIP group. If you look at here, if you look at the VIP group here, we are already in a position. We're already in the position BNB. We've already in a position here, and we also have other position that we've already taken in the VIP signal group. So if you want to join us, just contact me, check in the description below, and you will get into the VIP signal group where I give accurate signals. So it's not for free anyway, but you just contact us for a little fee. So if you look at BNB here, BNB is going to do well. Remember, BNB token bond is a month from now, so it is still very low. It is still very low for you to get some BNB in your holdings. Either you're trading for short time or you're trading for long time, but I advise hold your BNB. Don't sell it. It's gonna be massive. It's gonna move very, very well. So if you look at the analysis from all perspective, with normal price action, if you remove the indicator or if you use the indicator to look at it, you will discover that BNB is going up. The major thing that triggers our position yesterday was the breakout of this very level. With this bullish close, after we see a fair swing here, because we are expecting this market to come back down to this point, but we see a fair swing at this area. Then after we see a fair swing, it formed a higher than this previous high. Market goes back down, retest this level, support turn support, aid the market to go up. This form resistance, market breaks it, break this other strong resistance here, and then market is going up right now. So it is still the best time for you to get some BNB in your holding. Like I said earlier, even you are holding it for a short time, you want to hold it for 2 years, 3 years from now, it is a good coin to hold for a long time. So thank you very much guys for watching today's video. Like I said earlier, if you want to join the Remit cryptocurrency training and mentorship program, check in the description below and you will see a WhatsApp contact, and contact me and get into class immediately and know how to read your chart. In the course we give a detailed beginner basis on how you can go about reading your chart professionally, even without using the indicator. Also, if you want to join the Remit VIP signal group, don't bother much. Just contact me and I will add you up just for a little fee. So thank you very much guys for watching today's video. Like I said, don't hesitate to buy BNB. And thank me later. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. If you've not subscribed to the channel, do well to do that and hit that like button, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.